You can find Mrs. Tilton's class on Google Classroom and Zoom.
Mrs. Peters, class tag and Zoom.
Hi, it's Miss Lemke. I will be using Class Tag, Google Classroom,
and Zoom.
Hi everybody, Mrs. Wegman's class uses Google Classroom and Remind and Zoom.
Mrs. Bortz's class, Google Classroom and Zoom.
Mrs. Lalaire's class, Zoom and Google Classroom.
Mrs. Anderson's class, Zoom and Google Classroom.
Miss Lozano's classroom, Google Classroom and Zoom.
Mrs. Chavez's class will connect through Zoom and Google Classroom.
Mrs. Hauk's class, Google Classroom and Zoom.
Hi, Mrs. Cutshall, Google Classroom and Zoom.
Mrs. Miller's class, Zoom and Google Classroom.
Mrs. Moran's class on Google Classroom and Zoom.
Miss Walton's class, Google Classroom and Zoom.
Mrs. Autry's class, Google Classroom and Zoom.
Mrs. B, Google Classroom and Zoom.
Hi friends, this is Mrs. Dallin. You can find me on Class Dojo, you can find me on Zoom, and you can also find me on Google Classroom.
Hi, I'm using Google Classroom.
Mrs. Brazy's combo class will be using Class Dojo, Google Classroom, and Zoom.
Mrs. Talbot, Google Classroom, Zoom, and Shutterfly.
Mrs. Albert's class will be doing remote learning through Google Classroom, Zoom, and of course, Class Dojo.
Mrs. Giles' class will be communicating and learning through Class Dojo, Google Classroom, and Zoom.
Hi, Mrs. Rodney, Google Classroom, Class Dojo, and Zoom.
I'm Mrs. Ashley, and I use Google Classroom, Class Dojo, and Zoom.
Mrs. Bucat's class will be using Google Classroom, Zoom, and please check your Class Dojo daily.